Hey, so if you're getting the error opening sound device in Audacity, yeah, like it won't record or playback and keeps showing an error, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close Audacity completely and reopen it. I mean, temporary glitches often cause device errors. Next, yeah, make sure the correct microphone or speaker is selected in Audacity. Wrong devices can trigger this error. Now, try switching the audio host between MME and Windows WASAPI. I mean, this often fixes device access problems. Yeah, close apps like browsers, Discord, or other recording tools. I mean, another app might already be using your sound device. Now, go to Windows sound settings and make sure your microphone and speakers are enabled and not muted. Yeah, exclusive mode can block Audacity from accessing your device. Turning it off can fix the error. Now, outdated drivers can cause sound device errors. Updating them can restore proper access. Yeah, permission issues can also block audio devices. Running Audacity as admin can fix that. If nothing works, restart your PC or reinstall Audacity. I mean, this resets all audio configurations and fixes deep issues. So, yeah, that's how you fix error opening sound device in Audacity. Most of the time, it's device conflicts, wrong settings, or driver issues. Try these steps, and your audio should work again. Thanks for